Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke bangabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezela ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje. Yoke ngisho nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje. So ungakwenza njengamanje lapho ukuthi-ke ucindezele ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje lithi-ke sekuthiwa abantu abaningi laphana-ke bebona ividiyo-ke yomfana oyikhaladi-ke laphana-ke etalabha kabi kuRamaphosa-ke veza ney'mfihlo-ke laphana-ke engaziwa-ke, waveza nanokuthi-ke uJacob Zuma-ke ngesikhathi kusaphethe yena kwaku-right-ke izinto zibe worse sekukhona uRamaphosa. Waveza nokuthi-ke nabantu abamhlophe bayamsaba uZuma. Kuningi-ke akuvezile kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi mina-ke wezwa ngami-ke ngikudlalela wena-ke, ngikudlalela iklipu-ke uyizwele wena-ke ngawakho amandla. Mase secela kuwe laphana ukuthi masuzwile-ke le klipu-ke ungene laphana-ke kuma-comment section-ke phela-ke ufubha ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masucindezela nebhathini laphana-ke subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje. Okay, ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawo-ke le klipu-ke awuyithokozele.
Once again, the South African math is not mathing. So, just the smell of Jacob Zuma and the rand is falling. But pause. When we were talking about stage 16 load shedding being on the cards, nothing happened. When 28 banks, including our local banks, let me tell you, Investec, Standard Bank, Absa, Nedbank, First Rand Bank, when all of them were involved in currency manipulation, including banks from the US and the UK, nothing happened to the rand. Why? Why? And listen, I'm not particularly a fan of Jacob Zuma, but why is the West so scared? So scared of him. Do you remember back when he was president and then there was this, what was this thing? They called it junk status. They said we're going to be in junk status because of Zuma. The country has gotten considerably worse under Ramaphosa, but no threats. The way white people are scared of Zuma is something else. It's very interesting.